typical water pump pressure switch that you'll find to turn on your pump that supplies your irrigation system for your lawn, or that supplies you with water coming out of a well. This is a high voltage box, so you do need to be aware that if you do take this box off, you turn the power off to the box. You just screw this screw left, take this cover off. Once the cover comes off, this is what the inside looks like. Typically what goes wrong on these is these contacts right on the right side there. See where they're black? And on the left they're good. On the right they've gone bad. And a number of things causes this bad connection. Sometimes it's ants that like to live in there, and they'll get burnt in there and make a bad connection. But basically how it works is this part here is connected to the water, and the water pressure pushes on this diaphragm, and depending upon the pressure in this, it'll click on or click off, turning the pump on to replenish the water in the bladder tank or to supply water to the main line. But anyhow, just wanted to go over this real quick, and if you have any questions, please visit us online at lexingtonsprinklerrepair.com.